this is Art with OCRV. Wanted to show you this project. We had some video earlier of it when it was in, we were in assembly, and so this is the finished project. This nice cabinet that we built for the customer, TV lift cabinet with some really nice storage and very nicely finished off shelves. Everything looks factory or better. Nice deep drawers on really nice glides, full extension drawers, and this really nice TV lift 43-inch Sony TV in that TV lift cabinet. Built this nice settee here. It had two little chairs and this little uncomfortable. The customer wanted a booth type setup with some nice storage drawers, nice flush mount, full extension drawers. Really nice fit and finish, some beautiful leather work with some nice French seams in it. Also did the front driver's seats for the customer as well. So they were real happy with it. So now they're back. They want to do a custom sofa with recliners in it to match this furniture in the leather. So they've dropped it off. We're going to go ahead and start that project, which will get you some pictures of that in progress and also a finished product. Also on this coach, it's a 2015 or 16 Winnebago Tour. So they're having a lot of problems when their dry camping battery packs going down. So we're actually going to convert it. Winnebago used 12 volt, 6 12 volt batteries in their battery pack, and just doesn't hold up. So we're going to replace those 6 12 volt batteries with 4 L16 6 volt deep cycle batteries, which will give them about 3 times the power that they have from stock. So we'll also show you some video on that, and we'll keep you up to date. Thanks for watching OCRV.